Hi, my name is Mike Johnson and I'm showing you the outside tour of this 2010 Toyota Prius Premium 4 with a level 4 solar roof premium package. This is the highest Prius you can get and have leather and sunroof. Has every option, fully loaded, very clean. There's virtually not a scratch on this car, inside, outside, top or bottom. I'm going to go over every bit of the body. Start with the solar roof panel up on the roof. It does have a power sunroof, which doubles as a solar power panel, which powers the blower fan inside the vehicle. Blows heat right out of the car on a hot day through the vents, with the sunroof closed, windows up, car locked up. And this is the latest built 2010 you can get. This car was built in 10 of 2010, making this car a year and a half newer than most other 2010 Prius, because Toyota began building the 2010s in April of 2009. So April 09 built cars. This car is a year and a half newer, 18 months newer than those cars. That's a lot of difference in age. It's basically, for most manufacturers, cars built in 10 of 2010 would be considered 2011, but Toyota moves the dates around a little bit. Rear bumper is very clean. There's little nicks from loading suitcases or parking, lot type of mark, but very little. There are a few, but very little. All these little stickers I'm showing you are federal anti-theft tags. Their presence indicates that these are the original body panels. Now, we did get this car from Toyota. This came off a 36-month factory lease. Let me show you those tires. 36-month factory lease. Look at this front tire here. There's a lot of tread remaining on these, because this car only has 22,000 miles, just barely. Low mileage car. Both fenders have their original stickers. Hood original sticker. This car has no accidents. It's never been crashed. Not even a fender bender. Original bumper in there. It's not enough light for you to see the sticker on the back of the bumper, but it's back there. This is about as close to a new Prius as you're going to get with a pre-owned, and still save a giant pile of money. You're going to save a lot, because this car new sells for $33,000 or just under, and with tax that's about $35,000 to buy brand new out the door. This is pearly white, not plain white. This is pearl white. There's pretty much not a mark on this car, and it's very low mileage. It's very hard to get them with mileage this low. So if you're interested in this car, give me a call as quick as you can. 951-681-2101, because you'd be saving over $10,000 compared with buying new. And the new 2012s or 13s or 14s don't come with leather anymore. This one has genuine leather interior. The new ones have a rubbery vinyl material called Softex. When you sit in the Softex seats, you don't move around much, because it feels like you're sitting on a rubber seat, in my opinion. So this is the good stuff here, the real leather interior. Mike Johnson, give me a call, 951-681-2101. 2010 and a half Toyota Prius, almost a 2011. In a normal world, this would be a 2011. They only built the 2011s for 6 months. So take it as you see it. Here's your chance. 951-681-2101. Thank you.